So thank you, Bharti ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to speak. It was a really great day, and I would like to thank Padma ma'am and Annie ma'am for giving us such opportunity to learn more. As today we came to this factory, and this was a really new experience for us because this is our first trip from our 11th grade, which was really great. As we came here, we got to know how get to learn new things, as we have seen how glass is cut and how automatic machines work, which is I don't think we would get to learn by sitting in class in between four walls. And thank you, Javed sir, for giving such great explanation and also clearing all my doubts. And I would like to thank my teachers who explained me how it was clearly working with a clear explanation accordingly. And that's it. It was a really great one, and I hope and I thank everybody for giving me this opportunity.
I'm Misha. I would like to say my experience about this trip. It was really great, and I felt really lucky to be in this school because no other school gives this opportunity to go to other visits and explore the world. Because being in commerce, it is not that we learn everything sitting inside four walls. We need to explore. So thank you, Annie ma'am, Padma ma'am, and all the teachers who gave this opportunity to us and let us explore the world. And I would like to thank all the faculty in this LORVIN Glass Solutions who explained us everything and let us know what the process exactly is. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for the school management for providing us this opportunity, and it also showed that learning cannot be confined within four walls. We have to explore it. So I thank the school management, especially Annie ma'am, Padma ma'am, and special thanks to Bharti ma'am, who has also brought us down here for learning how glass is prepared, how tempered glass is also prepared. I'd say thanks for Javed sir, who has given us a beautiful explanation on how the entire process goes on about how to make a tempered glass. Thank you.